YouTube, welcome back. Or maybe not welcome back. Maybe just welcome if you're new here. If that is the case, press subscribe. I feel like we need a bit of an update on the car. Even to me it seems a bit up in the air what's going on with it. If you're not already following me over on Instagram, I'll put it here. Definitely go and do that because that's where I'm most up to date with what's going on with the car, etc, etc. So the first thing to update on. Whoa, can't we show you that? We've got wheels! We've got wheels for the MX5. Super excited to get them on. That will be coming in a different video, however, because today we're going to go and look at another MX5. But before we go and do that, something I want to do to the car. I'll show you now. If you watched my insurance video, you'd have seen that I was smoothing my bumpers out and we left it there in grey primer, but since then it's been in red primer and now it's back red. It does need a couple more coats, but it's pretty much there. I've also done the back bumper, which is still in red primer. Needs a bit more work to be perfect, but as you can see, because of the new wheels inside, I've took the arch liner out to make room, and this bumper, it's I bought these bumper quick release things, £8 off Amazon. Give me some of that, go on then. So I'm going to fit them, not because I want the seam points, but because I think I actually need them now. And once I've done that, my mate Brad is coming round and we're going to road trip to Leeds and look at an MX5. Right, so this nice new bumper that I've just fucking spent weeks smoothing out and filling holes, I'm going to drill some holes in it. I'm just going to mask it so I can draw on it without drawing on my shit. So it's at this point I'd just like to interject because shit just started going wrong from here on out, right? So the drill that I was using turned out to be a piece of shit. The battery died and then the charger decided it didn't want to work either. So I tried to put it on charge just to see if it were the LEDs that weren't working, and then went back out, got the GoPro back on my head, didn't press record. Why didn't I press record? I persevered with this side, got it done, got it on. I then realised that this drill was not going to work, so I had to borrow a drill from a next door neighbour. So shout out to my next door neighbour Jack for lending me a drill. You're a lifesaver. With that being said, back to the video. That's a piece of shit. That don't work anymore. But I persevered. We got one done. We got one side done. It was actually more fucking difficult than I thought it would be. Trying to get your hand in there to do the back of this nut up. So I better crack on with the other side. Brad's on his way to go to Leeds. So I need to get it done quick. I'll probably go back to hands-free now. Done. That's just a little bit of added security. Don't want to be losing my bumper, do I? Oh. They're easy enough to do, but a bit fiddly. I sustained an injury. What can you do? Yeah. Right, so this car that we're going to be going to look at, disaster.
Big disaster.
It's sold this morning. So we've got Brad here, the man who's going to be buying an MX5. He's frantically searching the Facebook pages to find another car within the same radius that we can go and have a look at. He wanted to buy one this weekend, but obviously you can't buy that one now.
Hi, my name's Nadia. What can I get for you
Can I have 4 double cheeseburgers, please, with no pickle?
No pickle on all of them?
Please.
Yeah, anything else?
That's everything, cheers.
Can you make your way to the next window, please?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
There you go.
Cheers, thank you. See ya. We're not having much luck, really. Are we, Brad?
No, we're not.
We've messaged a few, and the few that we've messaged don't seem to know how to take an advert off the internet because they've all been sold. So it's looking like it's unfortunately not going to happen today.
Not today. Not burgers though.
It is a good burger. It's a good one. As far as McDonald's burgers go, these are good ones.
Pickleless.
I ain't got time for pickles, me.
I'm not happy, Jay.
You not?
No.
I don't blame you, Brad. Look at the size of fucking front brakes on that Bentley. There's a Bentley Bentayga parked next to us and its brakes are bigger than my wheels.
Legit.
But can he take his roof off?
Can he fuck?
So the day's been a bit of a fail. We haven't found a car to go and look at, which is very unfortunate. But I'm staying positive. I'm going to be productive instead. There's a few bits that I can do at home that I've been meaning to do for a while. So I'm going to go home. I'm going to do them because it's sunny. I've got the roof off. So today, no matter what happens, is a good day. And that was complete bullshit. I got home and I couldn't be arsed doing anything. Do you know when you just have them days where nothing goes to plan and there's nothing you can do about it? You try your best to make shit happen and it just doesn't. This has been one of those days. I'm trying to stay motivated, I'm trying to stay positive. I just thought I'd give you as well a more in-depth update with the car because that what I gave at the start of this video wasn't really helpful. So we do have new wheels. We've got new wheels to go on the car. Quite a bit needs to be done to the arches to just prep for them. That's probably going to be a video that's coming soon. What else? In regards of the bumpers, the front one is now smooth. It's in red-ish. I ran out of paint, but it is red. The back one is pretty much smooth. Like I said on the video, it might need a bit more work. I'm considering just getting them painted professionally because I'm thinking if I do it myself with rattle cans like I did, or even if I did it myself with a proper spray gun, I'm not that confident that I'll get a good finish. So I think I'm just going to look into getting them done professionally. Wipe my hands with them, they'll look good. Money probably well spent if I did that. The other day as well we hit 200 subscribers, which is sick. 200 people have watched my videos and thought, yeah, these are good. I want to watch more of these. So thanks to everyone that subscribed. That's mad. I hope this video has been, well, what's it been? Apart from a massive, I hope you got something from it. I don't know what that might be, but you might have got something from it. Who knows? If you have enjoyed, click subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.